After students were done editing their paper, they were asked to open up a editing checklist in School for One in order to review their work, and there were 3 columns for this checklist with the writing mechanics in each row, and the column was self, peer, and self. So they would go through the checklist and check off all of the different writing mechanics that they use, and then they would meet with a peer during this lesson to have them revise their work. The goal for this lesson was that students edited at least 2 of their 5 paragraphs and met with the peer about 2 of their 5 paragraphs.
Okay, I just have a few questions. Did you review with the students how to find the answer to the unknown spelling words, the words that they had circled in blue?
So some strategies that we have reviewed throughout the year was looking around the room. They do have a word study folder with commonly used words that they can refer back to. So they really should only be circling words that they cannot solve. I don't ask the students to use the iPad as a resource because I don't want them to just find out how to spell a word based on typing it into a Google search or into a notes page. So really I want them to be more investigative and sounding it out. But yes, there were definitely strategies that I incorporated throughout the year as tools where they could find commonly misspelled words.
And what was the job or the role of the peer?
The peer was basically just to edit their work, because often when students work on their own work, they tend to see things differently. I know I do as well. Sometimes when we proofread our own work, we kind of just quickly glance over our mistakes because we wrote it and we see them often. So the job of the peer really was to be another set of eyes that is their first time reading their work. So.
Okay, one last thing. Is there anything when looking at the work samples or when I'm ready to give my warm and cool feedback that you'd like me to focus on?
I just want you to focus on mostly, I would say, punctuation. I'm noticing my class is having a hard time putting the appropriate punctuation in the right spot. Sometimes they just put periods in the middle of sentences. So really focusing on sentence structure and when that punctuation is in the right location.
Okay, great. Let's take a look at some more examples.